As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished today. Bitcoin hasn't moved to nowhere, no volume today. Also yes, today we catch a small trade, a scalping here, but for bigger moves there is no real move. So now I know majority of you, they came here and they want the short answer. The short answer guys, the Bitcoin here in daily, is it in an uptrend? In 4 hours, is it in a downtrend? So now what is it the view? Did Bitcoin go into dump? Yes, it's going to dump, guys, but it's need to break that zone here for the Bitcoin to go back to 113, 114. So let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming hours. If you want to understand why I'm saying that, make sure to watch that video till the end without skipping any part of it. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible. Make sure to support us by just smashing that like button which is down. I want today's video to reach to the max likes, guys, so please support us. You've done it. Thank you very much. And if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. You see the one here, see member option. Click at it. It's going to open for you 3 tiers we got here, guys. We got that one here, the first one position. That one is for long term, no leverage, no nothing. So if you are interested, you can join that one. We got here the VIP. That one you're going to get all our cryptocurrency services, scalping, day trading, swing trading, and even the position. And if you want everything, even stock market, choose the elite. When you decide which one to join, click at join, finish payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps still going to be in our VIP Discord. If you want to chat to me before you join, you can text me in the free Telegram, in the free Discord. The link of them are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. Well guys, as you see that the daily candle here, it finished. Bitcoin here. We have here now a very clear inside bar, guys. As you see it, the one here is a very clear inside bar. If it's getting broke above here, we're going to see that Bitcoin pumping. If it's getting broke down here, we're going to see it dumping. Today, we're going to see some real moves because Saturday it's every time no volume. But Sunday, we see some volume, guys. So let's see what's going to happen today because today is a very important day. Now, also here in daily, we still have here that down channel like that. As you see it, guys. We touch the top of it here. Now there is one of two. Either from here we're going to fall down to test the low of that channel, that number one scenario. Second scenario, we're going to break it and we go more higher. So let's see the coming hours what they are going to tell us, how else we're going to catch it. If it's getting broke above here, very simple. For short, if the market fall down and breaking here the lower of that inside bar as I show you here, we need to catch a short, guys, because the market going to give you another low lower than the previous one. The previous one it was 8K. That means the coming one is going to be very low, maybe 102, 103K. So you need to be careful, my friend. Now we are in a zone. We don't know exactly which direction that market going to go. So if it's getting broke above here, we're going to see it pumping very hard. But if we break in that low here of that inside bar, we're going to dump very hard, guys. So I think I explained everything here. We don't need to make that video too long, guys, because today we're going to show you the on-chain analysis. Now, let me show you the trades I got open for today, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Trades I got open for today, guys. As you see it, we open a long in XRP here, as scalping as you see it in front of you. The one here in the Doge is a short. When trading, we got here along a scalping in the Sol, plus even that Bitcoin here as scalping, all those ones, majority of them, because today there is no volume. And also we try to give the people that following us some interest, so that what us we do today, we be in scalping that market, or that's what we do in the weekend, guys. Even you can join us if you are interested, of course, and you want to benefit from that. As I told you, the link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down, so that the earnings, guys, even you can join us. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's go in to see the on-chain analysis for that week, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. The on-chain analysis, as you see it, stock flow is getting more yellow here. It's telling us guys, we are very close to the dump now. As you see it in front of you, now it's become very clear yellow, like here, guys, like here. That's when the peak is very close. Let me show you those things, what I'm talking about. If you see it with me here, you see it, guys, that's the color here. Very clear yellow now. Now, guys, you need to be careful. That's the only things I can tell you now. And look at it, guys. All the past history doing the same thing every time. When it become yellow like that, it dumped. Now let me show it to you in a white background. In a white background, guys, same thing. You see it here. It's become green. Look how is it here. Look how is it here. Look how is it here. You see it, guys, in front of you. It's repeating all those times. If we come here and we try to zoom it here, look with me here, guys, what you see in here. You see it here. You see the green here. And that telling you the market may be going to dump, guys. So you need to be careful from those things, what I'm showing you here. Not the only things I can tell you. We got another indicator. Me, I don't follow any other indicators. I follow just stock flow. But it's up to you. Follow anything you want. Me, stock flow is telling me the top is very close, guys. Yes, it might. We're going to see that 128k till 150k. But guys, you need to be careful. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let me show you my other indicators. Here we are, guys. That the second indicator here, that one is at the pi cycle. The pi cycle, that one is a little bit tricky, guys. Look at it. In the past cycles, the first one, it crossed above the slow one, as you see it here. But now it hasn't reached here yet, guys. Why? Because Bitcoin doesn't got volatility like how it used to be, guys. Let me show you those things here. If we come here and we zoom it like that, what you seeing, guys? You see it here or no? We crossed below that one, then we came back above. Now let's see if that one going to fall down again to test it, or from here going to pop. Even that one is possible. Based on the history, guys, look at it. Every time when we do it like that, we pump. Every time, same thing, guys, as you see it. Every time we pump, even here. And even here, we do the same thing. Then now we're going to do the same thing? Sort of. Let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let me show you another indicator what it's saying today. That one here, guys, it's the Bitcoin euphoria zone. That one here, as you see it, when the color become green like that and got those yellow dots, that's the euphoria zone, as you see it in all the past, guys. Now here, it give it to us here, here, and even here now where we are. Did the Bitcoin going to down from here? Is it in an euphoria zone, guys? But let's wait and see, because now us we touch here that zone here as you see it in front of you. But in the past it used to touch that red one. That's why I told you Bitcoin now doesn't got the volatility like how it used to be before. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. Bitcoin, they kill the volatility of it. Look at it, guys. That man, it will not be day trading or scalping in it. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. We got another indicator. Let me show it to you. Other indicator, guys, that want to be and show it to you every time here in that channel. We told you when it touch the yellow, it need to come to touch that green zone above. The green zone, I told you the zone of it exactly here. I told you here 150k. Me, I said 128k or 130k till 150k. Let's see the coming days what they are going to tell us. If you want not to miss any trade, my friend, and you want no matter where is that market going to catch it, welcome to the family. If you are interested, of course, the link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video. Now, let me show you USDT dominance, what it's saying today. Here we are, guys. In the USDT dominance here, it reached to that zone here as you see it. We got here a very clear double bottom, guys. Now there is one of two. Either from here going to break the double bottom here and to pump again. That's possible. Second scenario, it might from here to do like that and to dump again. Even that one is possible, like how it happened here. Exactly, guys. You see it, same thing happen here. Also, we're thinking it's going to dump, then it pump again. Even that one is possible. But the only thing here in USDT dominance, guys, look with me here. You see the downtrend here, that one is getting broke, guys, and the USDT dominance now it's flying above it. That means now if the market pump again and breaking the last high here, it's going to pump again to that zone here between 4.50 till 4.59%. Even that one is possible. We don't need to make that video too long, guys. That way, I'm not going to show you our indicator. Now, let's go into see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. The Bitcoin here in 4 hours. We got here the 100 moving average. He crossed above the 200 moving average here. Now it's showing to us that one here is going to dump, guys. Maybe to touch here that 100 moving average at 114 or a 200 moving average at 112k. That number one scenario. Second scenario to give us here like a double bottom or something. We got something else here. Is it that one here? That uptrend, guys. You see that uptrend here. And now we are in the border of it. That means there is no power to push it from here to go more higher. Now, if we break in that one, let me take it off those moving averages to show you more. Now, if it's breaking here, that uptrend here, guys, we're going to see that Bitcoin dumping very hard, guys. Second thing, and very important one, is it that one here? Bitcoin here try to give us here like a big head and shoulder, guys. And if it's breaking here, not the top, guys, and we're going to dump. So you need to be careful about those things, what I'm showing you. So we've been showing it to you a lot. And I show you even here that mega fall like that. I showed it to you before. I told you if it's getting broke here, try to catch that short. So even that one, it's possible, guys. Now the only defense that Bitcoin still have is it that one here. That way we haven't given it a swing trade to today. But if it's getting broke here, that means a 4-hour candle to close below that uptrend here, we need to catch a short, guys. If you don't know what else we're talking about and you want just when to enter, where to put stop, lose, take profit, that for swing trading, guys, you can join us. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video. That of course, if you are interested, my friend. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it in a zone where there is no one controlling it? That means there is no trading now. Look at it even here. What shall we do? As we are waiting now what's going to happen in the coming hours. That's the only things I can tell you, guys. Now, let's go in to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. In the Ethereum, same thing. As you see, it's still above the 200 and 100 moving average. And the two here, there are very stronger zone here. The one also we haven't entered it, no long, no short. Yes, we got a short swing trading, but it's need that Ethereum to break below here for us to know it's going to dump, because it might to give us here just like a flag. Let me show you those things, what I'm talking about. If you're looking with me here, guys, we got here either that one going to give us here a bullish flag like that. That's meant to break here and to pump again. That's possible. Second scenario, what is it? Second scenario, that Ethereum to fall down and to break here, that uptrend here, as you see it. And that one, if it's getting broke, we need to catch a short. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today. Based on our indicator, guys, it's telling us we are in a zone where the bears, the country, but those bears, they don't got power. So it's need at least to break that zone here for us to catch that short. And also we are waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. And that way us every time we're telling you, if you want to learn from professional people, that the job of them, you can join our VIP Discord. But that, of course, if you are interested. Now let's go in to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. In the Sol, us today, we enter a scalping long from that peak here. Exactly. Look where it is, the Sol now. It's still riding it, guys. Yes, the Sol is telling us it's going to dump, but us we waiting that correction here to pump again for us to get a better entry, or maybe that Sol here to break that last high here. Even that one is possible. Us we still waiting. The Sol here is still in a very sharp uptrend, guys. Even here in 4 hours, we don't got a confirmation here telling us the market is going to dump. As we told you here. That one here, the double top here, it need to be broke. Till now, we haven't broke it, guys. So there is nothing yet here in the Sol telling us we need to enter a short. Only the one here, if we came and we do here a very sharp uptrend. That uptrend here is getting broke as you see it here. So us, we still waiting. We want a correction here for us to catch that short. Long as scalping, we enter it today. We wait in the correction, then we enter. But as swing trading for us to catch those nice moves like from here till above here, we're still waiting an extra confirmation, guys, for us to catch that long or that short, no matter how it's going to come. If you want even you to catch it with us, welcome, my friend. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, same thing. Look at it. It touched here that wall. Now it's showing to us as if it's going to pump. We still have here the divergence downtrend here. We showed it to you before. Even that one here, it need to be broke, guys, or maybe it's going just to be touched, then after to remain dumping again. Even that one is possible. So I think I explained everything here. Now it's going to see the XRP or Ripple I'm doing today. Here we are, guys. The XRP of Ripple, as you see it, same thing. It's still in a downtrend here. Also, we're still just waiting here. The double top here, the one to be broke for us to catch that short and to ride it down here, guys. We're thinking maybe from here going to pump. We enter along a scalping, but the stop lose is at the entry point. And that candle which is going now, as you see it, it's showing to us the XRP going to dump more than that, guys, as you see it in front of you. So you need to be careful about those things. The only thing now, those moving averages, they're showing to us maybe going to pump, but also the moving averages, we're using them just like a support and resistance. That's it. We don't base our trade on them. Now, the only thing also we focus about is it the one here. A double top here to be broke, guys, for us to catch that short. There is another thing here. You remember that up channel also we used to show you here. That one is getting broke yesterday here. We tell it to the people they following us. We told them to enter a short from there. But them they said, let's wait a correction. Tell us we still waiting a correction. If it's going to happen, if it's not, market going to dump without us, and that's why us we're telling you every time you need to be inside the trend before the trend left you. But it's up to you. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the XRP, guys. Our indicator, look at it guys, you see it here, it entered to a zone where is the bears, the downtrend. That means technically also we are in a downtrend. Let's see if it's going to dump more than that or not. Tell it touching here for us extreme oversold area. That's another story. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes guys. By the way, you watching me now, I know you started the video from the start till here and you haven't smashed that like button. Why my friend, go now smash that like button, write down a comment, support us guys. If you find that content is valuable, please smash that like button. You done it? Thank you very much. Here in Bitcoin guys, us today, we enter a long from down here till above here, we move stop loss to entry point, we take some profit from it. Used to have here an entry short as you see it, us Saturday and Sunday we don't day trade. Why? Because we get a lot of fake signals, plus even here, you see it guys, that's a head and shoulder here. Even that one we haven't want to enter in it. Moving average here telling us is going to dump. Should we enter a short? Me personally, I'm not going to enter a short guys. That's the reason, because me personally, I'm still thinking that one here, it's the bottom guys, and the dump here will happening now, that one here, it just to touch that level here. Now what me I'm looking at, me personally I'm looking at that one here, exactly guys, that one here. Now we got here the downtrend here, as you see it guys. In yesterday video, what else we show you, if you watching yesterday video, we show you that one here, and we told you if it's getting broke, enter along, it's getting broke here, look at it guys, we'll have you make some profit from it. So we told you Saturday and Sunday day trading is always not good, but it's up to you if you want to day trade Saturday and Sunday, that's another story. Now here what we got the downtrend here, that one it's need to be broke guys, like that, for us to catch that long, because level you are in a very stronger level, and me thinking just like that, then after that is going to do like that guys. I think I explained everything here. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator guys, if we came here and we add in here the two zones like that, what you seeing guys here? Me are thinking that one here is going to dump till here to give us a bullish divergence or something, then after that it's going to pump. That number one scenario guys. Another scenario, maybe that one to dump and that one will not dump below that zone here, and it's going to give us here a bullish divergence, telling us the market going to change from that downtrend to our uptrend. Also we are waiting guys what's going to happen in the coming hours. That's the only things I can tell you here. If you want exactly when also we enter, where we put a stop lose, take profit, you are swing trader, long term day trader, scalper, you can join our VIP Discord. That of course, if you are interested, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video. Well, that's it for that video guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.